Hi gang, welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. Today, after all of this weather stuff that we've been through, we had noticed that with the cold, it's 26 degrees out here, cloudy, got a little breeze. It actually feels like it's warming up. That's how pathetic this is. But with the weather that's changed from cold to hot to cold to hot to cold to hot, the greenhouse has collapsed, the plastic on it. So what I'm going to do today is take all the stuff that's in there out, put it in the garage. So we had those saplings that were in there in the tub, in the bucket. The shelving came down, so we're going to take that apart and put it in the garage. It's all ice over here, so I'm just trying to watch where I'm going. As you can see, it's pretty much collapsed. So instead of everything just getting all ruined, we're probably going to rip the plastic off of it so it doesn't go flying. And all of this stuff needs to come out. Everything toppled over. The winds were pretty substantial the other night. So I got to take all those buckets out. The little table, the garbage bag. The garbage pail I'm going to put the hose in if I can, if it'll fold and roll in there, and then that potting soil right there. So we got a lot of work to do. My mother-in-law is coming out to help me, so she'll be here too. Okay, we have it emptied. It's all emptied. So now basically what we're going to do is probably take this plastic off. We're going to unmount it from the ground, and then we're going to put it over here somewhere, put plastic back on it, take all the rest of the stuff off, but we're going to put plastic back on it, put pallets underneath it, and then put the hay in it, use it for hay storage. We are trying to repurpose a lot of the stuff that we took from the rental house that we had. This structure happens to be one of them. And trying to just use the frame of it as much as we can. So right now, it's served its purpose for the greenhouse. I'm not going to move it all the way over there to that new place. It's that way behind you. With 3 people. That's not going to happen. It can move 15-20 feet and serve good purpose for the hay. So that's what this is all about for this one. I do have the plumber coming today, a plumber electrician. He's a handyman. We had an outlet that burned out in the kitchen. You know, one of those reset ones that you push and it resets all the walls in the kitchen. Not the fuse box. So he's going to replace that for me, and then he's going to replace the kitchen sink and a bathroom sink faucet. I have the hardware for those already. So I'm just waiting for him to show up, and maybe we'll give you a little glimpse of that.